In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images in Descript. If you're looking to enhance your projects with visuals, then you've come to the right place. We'll walk through each step of the process, ensuring you feel confident navigating Descript. So let's dive right in and get started. To begin, we'll head over to the Descript website. Open up your web browser and navigate to descript.com. This is where we'll get into the nuts and bolts of adding images to your projects. Once you're on the site, you'll need to log in. Click on your preferred sign-in method, whether that's using Google, an email and password, or another option provided by Descript. Once you've chosen how you'd like to sign in, go ahead and click on your account to proceed. This will take you to your Descript dashboard where you can see your recent projects. Next, we'll choose the project to which you want to add an image. If you see your project listed among the recent ones, click on it to open. Otherwise, you can search for it using the search bar at the top. With your project open, look towards the menu options, and here you'll want to find and click on the icon or button labeled Add. This is your gateway to incorporating new media into your project. From the drop-down menu, select Add from Computer. A file dialog will appear, allowing you to locate the image file you wish to upload from your personal files. Once you've found your image, click on it and select Open. It will be uploaded into your Descript project workspace. With the image now added to your project, you'll notice it appear on the timeline or workspace area. To further spice up your project, let's explore a few customization options available. Begin by adding a new layer to your project for better organization and manipulation of the image. This helps in keeping your workspace tidy and manageable, especially if you have multiple elements. You can change the position of your image by clicking and dragging it to where it best fits in your project. Descript offers great flexibility here, allowing you to position your images precisely where you need them. Beyond moving the image, you can also change its shape. Explore the shape tools to adjust your image into circles, rectangles, or any other shape that suits your creative vision. Cropping is another great tool at your disposal. Simply use the crop feature to cut away any part of the image you don't need. This is particularly useful if you wanted to focus on a specific section of your picture. Likewise, resizing is easily done by clicking and dragging the corners of your image to suit your project's dimensions. Lastly, enhance your image with effects and animations. Descript offers a variety of effects to choose from, allowing you to bring out different moods or highlights in your image. Animations, on the other hand, can breathe life into still images, adding dynamic transitions and movement for a more impactful project. By following these steps and utilizing these tools, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate images into your Descript projects, adding another layer of professionalism and creativity. Thanks for watching and happy editing.